Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on caption options or functions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our captions options? First we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and here we have our hearing enhancements, and now we have our caption preference, and in here show captions. So now we will have our captions turned on, but there is a little caveat. We have short explanation here. So caption settings from apps like YouTube and live caption will be applied first. Not all apps support the caption preference set on this screen. Not all apps support these settings, so you have to look out for it. And now it's on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.